Hello. This is another video about the new technology that we can be using in our classroom. And I am doing this video over EdPuzzle. I chose this resource because I plan on using it a lot this school year. A lot of the other math teachers at my school use this for a lot of their lessons, and so I have decided that I'm going to try it out, and I'm very excited. And so I decided to take a deeper look into it and see what I can do about it. Um, a lot of these are videos by actual people, like ones that you would find on YouTube about like dividing decimals. And then they kind of are taken onto EdPuzzle, and then they add questions into the videos. And so if I click on this one, dividing decimals, and then I can click edit. And so I can play the whole video, and at each of these like teardrops, that is a question that is being asked. And so you can see over here, like at 1 minute and 23 seconds, it's asking a multiple choice question. And ooh, it's saying this is what it would show like for the student. It says, after watching his example, 6 divided by 3, what should go inside the division bracket? And so it pauses the video, asks the questions, and then the students have to answer. And then once they answer, it moves on and the video continues until the next question. And so I really like this because you can use videos that are already made, or you can create your own, or you can use a blend. And so I like that option. So up here, I would have my classes. I don't have that yet, but I would add a new class. And then once I find a video that I like, or once I create a video and it's on here, I could click assign. And then all I would have is a URL or a link. I would have a link that is copied, and I could put that on my agenda, or I could give the students that link and they would be able to watch the video and complete the quizzes that go along with it with the questions. And I like this because it grades it automatically. And so it'll just notify you of the student's grade, and you can put in your grade book or anything you need to do. It'll come up on here, and it'll have the grade book for each of your classes. And so I really like this. I think that it's a great change of pace rather than just lecturing. And I think it can be very good for students to see a different perspective and not just coming out of one teacher's mouth. And so I think maybe hearing it two different ways can be a really good idea. I know my mentor teacher last semester used this a lot. Like after she would teach a lesson, she would use this video to that kind of covers the same thing, because it's just another way of saying basically what she did, but sometimes coming from another person, it helps. And so she used that way a lot. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet, but I like the options. I like the idea of having them watch the video on their own, because they can go at their own pace if they need to. They can go faster, they can go slower, they can answer the questions at their own pace. So I really like that, and I like the idea of actually creating my own videos. And so I definitely plan on using that in my classroom.